Hi everyone, welcome to your favorite channel Financial Planning by Mohan. So today we will see why Motilal Oswal stock has crashed nearly 10%. So on 23rd July, that is on Thursday, it posted its quarter results, and Friday it fell nearly about 10%. Why exactly it fell 10%? Is it has posted very weak quarter results, or external factors affecting it, or any problems in the visionary? So for any stock, all the parameters are very important. So it's not only the quarter results or its financials, its visionary matters. External factors also play important role in the short term movement of the stocks. So by seeing all those parameters, firstly we will look into the quarter results. So how was the quarter results, and we will see the any there is any commentary by the management about the future. So today we'll try to analyze in all the parameters, and we'll try to speculate what will happen in Motilal Oswal in the next coming days. So let's start by looking into the financials. That is the quarter results that it has posted last Thursday.
This is the result posted by the company. You can see June quarter. It has posted 3,426 crores of revenue in this June quarter. The same June quarter of last year, it was 2,737 crores. So nearly more than 20%. You can see the increase in the sales. And in last quarter, it was 2,600. Even quarter to quarter, you can see the increase, and from year to year also there is increase in the sales. Expenses, there is also increase in the expenses also. So in last June, that is in 2026, it was 1018, and this year 1400. So let's directly go to the profit. So net profit stands at 1274 crores in this quarter. So the same in the last year, it was 1163. So you can see almost nearly 70 to 80%, sorry, nearly 20% rise in the profit. So in the last quarter, it was presented loss of 219 crores, from loss to profit. So this is because of some external factors, or I think the expenses. So this quarter it has posted good results, we can say. From year to year, it has increased profits. From quarter to quarter also, there is a massive increase in the profits. So overall, by seeing the financials, I mean the quarter results, there is nothing to worry about the quarter results. Very good results it has posted. So what, there may be some technical or external effects, because you all know that the war is ongoing, and there is a much pressure on the markets. Even the crude oil is almost reached $100 per barrel. So that's the main thing. So there is a very bad impact on the markets. So nowadays you can see, and even due to the valuations, the markets are correcting from last 1.5 years also. So those are all the factors affecting. And in you can see also technicals. So for a moment, in the short term, so technicals is also very important. So let's see technical also, but long term it's seeing very good. In the short term, all those factors affecting, and nothing wrong in the results. Let's see the technicals. So you can see the chart, it was at resistance. So 950 to 970, this is the resistance zone, which was trading before the results. So after results, it has fallen 8 to 10%. And you can see there is an support nearby, somewhere around 850 range. It has good support in this range. So I think it may touch these levels, or it can bounce back from here. So if it crosses support level, then there is a chances of falling furthermore. But see, the thing is, it has posted good results. I think if market recovers, this stock may also recover. So this is the video that I have, per my knowledge, I have shared things. So please do your own researches, and all my things are just for the education purpose only. So let's meet on the next video. Thank you.